Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and if you are new to this channel then please consider subscribing. I make a lot of videos around options trading. Okay, so today I want to discuss a topic about how you can actually cover your monthly rent, or if you pay a mortgage then how you can cover a mortgage by the income that you generate from the stock market. So this strategy is called a wheel strategy. I am not going into a very detail in this video. I link down in the description full video that I created for this. On this particular video I'm quickly going to discuss the steps or the ETF that you should use to generate consistent monthly income using this strategy. So I'm going to use QQQ for this, right? QQQ, if you don't know, it is ETF that tracks the Nasdaq 100. So as you see right here, the top 10 holdings in this ETF are the Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia, right? So this is a strong ETF, and as the market continues to grow over the years, this is gonna grow so big, right? So we don't have to fear about stock going bankrupt and all those things, right? Because it is made up of the top 100 companies in the US. So that's why I'm choosing this particular ETF for our strategy. So how does this work, right? And before we go further, I just want to put a quick note that this does require some initial capital investment from your end. However, once you have that capital and you start generating this income, this is gonna really cover your mortgage or rent. Okay, so how do we execute this, right? So we have to go for the option chain in this, and then we select sell and put, and we go 1 month out, right? So I'm just doing a monthly in this case because our primary goal is to cover our rent. So today is September 29th. I'm going to go to, let's say, October 27, right? So in this case, as you see, so I'll be doing it at the money for this particular strategy because our primary goal here is to generate a good amount of income from this. And also we do not mind owning because as we discussed, the QQQ is a strong ETF. So I'm going to go and do this 358, which is right at the money with a delta of 45. So there is a highly likely chance could be there that it may get assigned, and I'm going to discuss next how you can actually reverse it and again generate. Even if you get assigned, you can still use this to generate income. So I'm going to discuss that next. So let's finish this step first. So once you are here, what you're going to do is as you see, we are going to get $700 to execute this, right? So, and if you do 2 of these, that's 1400 minimum credit that you're going to get it today, right? You don't have to wait for this money to arrive. You're going to get this $1400 instantly paid to you, right? So this is the max profit that you have, and the max loss is 70,000. That's why it is saying that, because we are doing 2 contracts, and this is considering if it ends up below our strike price, right? You will be assigned, so you will be owning 200 share of QQQ, which is fine because we said, as we said, right, if you look at the QQQ graph over the time, right, if you look at the max graph, this is a clear exponential curve graph, right? So over the time we can be confident pretty much that QQQ is gonna go up, right? So even if you own it for some time, that is fine. Okay, coming back to what we were discussing, right? So here, let's say it's October 27th and the stock ends up at 360, right? So what happens? You just keep this amount and your collateral is also gets released. So the next time you again do the same thing for November 27th, right? So you keep generating this income, as you see, right? You keep generating the income until let's say in a month it does drop below your strike price, right? So what happens in that case? That is pretty much you are going to own the 200 shares of QQQ, right? So that's what called a wheel strategy. So you own this and now you start selling covered call, right? So let's say that you own the stock. Assuming that you own the stock, what you do is you sell, instead of put, you're gonna sell a call, right? You sell a call at the money you can sell a call, right? So you're going to again, if you see here, let me cancel this. So if you do sell a call, let's say I assume that I do own 200 shares of QQQ. I'm going to sell a call a month out from now, and I'm going to receive, if I do two of them, I'm going to receive $1,600, right? And the max loss here, why it says unlimited? Because you're going to lose QQQ, right? So but that is you are losing at a higher price, so you're going to again get back your whatever invested amount, right? The $70,000, you're going to get it back. In fact, you're going to get it more, right? So you again start with the same sell put that we discussed earlier. So this is, you can repeat this month over month and generate this consistent income to cover your mortgage or to pay your rent. The only condition here is you do need to have the capital. You can go with the one contract as well. That would require a little less capital in this case. That would require whatever, if you do 358, that's gonna require around 35,000, right? So once you have the capital, you can do this month over month to generate, and as you generate that income, right, if you want to invest it back into the ETF, then you're going to grow your account multifold by this strategy. So yeah guys, this was a quick intro. Again, as I said, if you want to go a very deep dive into how the wheel strategy works, how everything pros and cons of that, then you can check out my complete tutorial of the wheel strategy. This particular one, I wanted to keep it short so that you know the benefit or the ways you can use the wheel strategy and the multiple things that you can do with it. Okay, so that was it. I will talk to you in my next video. Happy investing guys. Bye bye.